What's up, guys? So I'm over here messing with the truck again. I'm taking off the stock headers. I already got this side off. Right now the transmission's off and everything. I might as well do it. I got a lot more access room. I got the new intake right here, air raid. It's a big filter, but I probably won't put that in until after the headers are on. Yeah, I might as well do some work to it right now. It's down. Upgrade some stuff. Got everything back here. But hopefully she'll be sounding a little better. At first it's just gonna be pretty much open header, but I plan on getting the Black Widow exhaust. Well, the Black Widow muffler. And that shit, if you guys look it up, you guys could hear sound clips of it and they sound wet. So yeah, let's get to this side now. This side's probably gonna be a little harder because you got the dipstick, got the intake, which I could take off, but I'll probably take that off after. And also on this side, I already had two bolts that were, I've never even took these headers off, but I already put them in the back. Two bolts that were snapped, one in the back there, and then the one in the very front. So I gotta figure something out with that, or I'm gonna have a fat exhaust leak. Alright, so the other header's off now. Right there. It only took me like 10 minutes, but because I already had the Y pipe off already because of the transmission. One thing I didn't realize though, I had to pull the dipstick tube, whatever you want to call it, because it goes in between the ports. They're like right there. So I had to pull that off, but it's just a 15, so no biggie. But yeah, this video is probably gonna be in the span of, I don't know, like a week or two, because I plan on doing the transmission. I plan on doing the transmission, the intake, the headers, all at once, and I plan on doing it on one video. So it's probably gonna take like 1 week or two, probably like 2, because I still gotta send the transmission out to get built. But yeah, I'll continue the video once I get the transmission back. Alright, so it's probably like a week later now. I'm waiting on Raul. He's about to pull up and we're finally gonna take the transmission to get rebuilt. But look, this is a restoration we're doing here at the shop, a couple of us. 69 Camaro for one of the shop owner's friends. New roof, new whatever the hell you want to call that. Repaired the cell panel, quarters, doors, rear body. It's a lot of work in this. New dash. Motor's all covered up, but I think I got an LS in it. This is the color that it's gonna be, with white stripes. The guy's kind of old, so he wants to keep the original look. But this thing's gonna be clean. They're giving us like 3 months to do this shit for a car that's supposed to take, I want to say, more than a year to do. Yeah, they're tripping, but it's almost there. It should be ready for paint by this weekend. But yeah, now let's just wait for Raul to get here and load it up and head out to the city. Sheesh. Should look clean. Alright, time to load it up. What's up, YouTube?
Are you recording? Hey!
shop right now. Drop off the transmission. What's up, nigga? Drop this thing off. Alright, yo.
So for a converter, you want a circle here, you want me to get started? Usually on these, you use this thing whenever you want to use it. But if you want to straight up get this, so we call that servo. It's a single hole servo, so basically the whole second. Stock ones would always tell people, even though you could actually order yourself.
That's pretty much it for this video. We dropped off the transmission, and yeah, we're just gonna. Hey. That's it. That's right. Yeah, we're gonna drop off the transmission. Well, we just did. Stop by Oakland, get some Oakland tacos. Yeah, that. That's it for this video. Maybe a little bit more whining, but that's it.